The record run actually has the market perched on some round number levels, not just some records. Obviously, S&P 2900, we kind of flirted with that yesterday. Naturally, Nasdaq 8,000, 26,000 for the Dow, not a new high, but still a big round number. Thought I would look back at the Nasdaq's outperformance going back a couple of years, actually going back to the election. There's been this fun kind of contrast, irony, whatever you want to call it, with yesterday the president saying Nasdaq 8,000 and then criticizing some of the companies that got you to Nasdaq 8,000. That's actually the Nasdaq 100, but it's a similar story. Up 62% since the election. The Dow up more than 45%. The S&P pretty good, just under 40% as a gain. But look at the top three stocks that you would argue perhaps have come under some criticism because of their business models or whatever else from the president. These are major drivers of the Nasdaq. Amazon up 160%. Facebook actually more like a market performer there, 46% after that recent drop. And Alphabet has quietly been up 60% since the election too. Why the Nasdaq? I think most roads for investors lead in that direction. Just real quickly, we had this winner take most economy in many sectors, and I think that's reflected in these huge growth platform companies. Tech deflationary boom is part of the story. Growth, I facetiously say, always in style. People have been talking about a value rotation, but it's hard to sneeze at 20% top line growth on enormous companies like an Alphabet. And then quality, even if you say, I want to buy quality businesses, that takes you toward the NASDAQ because they have such strong balance sheets and high profit margins. So for now, anyway, it's almost like there's an inertia in the NASDAQ outperformance as top heavy and as lopsided and arguably expensive as those stocks are.
And just shows you how different it's been than 2001 or any of those times when technology was an advantage before. There are real numbers here backing this.
It's a different profile of business that is driving it. Of course, you can overpay for any great business, but it's a different dynamic, I think, that's driving it.